Hope you're thirsty because today we're making smoothies. In reading, we call these blends. But first, we have to check our ingredients. To make a blend, you need consonants. You know, the purple tiles. Letters like B, L, S, T, and P. Now, you might be thinking, wait, I've seen two consonants next to each other already, like S and H. Ah, that's different. Let's read this word. Let's touch and say each sound.
Sh,
Igloo,
ship,
Ship. Okay, how many sounds in that word? That's right, 3. We've got 3 tiles. But how many letters do we have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh. How come we have more letters than sounds? Oh, that's right. How silly of me. Sh is a digraph. What's a digraph again? Just a fancy name for 2 letters making 1 sound. What about 4 letters making 4 sounds? Let's take a look. Do we see a digraph in that word? Nope. No 2 letters sharing 1 tile. But I do notice 2 consonants next to each other. Let's try reading it.
s, l, I,
igloo,
slip,
Slip. Those 2 consonants, or purple tiles, next to each other each make their own sound. That's called a blend. When we see 2 consonants next to each other, we know it's a blend. Let's look at a couple more. Let's read this one.
s, l, a,
office,
slop,
Slop. Ugh. Where's our blend? Right here where these 2 consonants are next to each other. Okay, another blend coming our way. Let's read it.
l, a,
office,
plop.
Plop. This has been the messiest smoothie experience ever. So, where's that blend again? Yup, these 2 consonants next to each other is a blend.